Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our August 2026 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement. So for this month, 3 dies from our brand new release and then a foundation die that is separate purchase. So the 3 new dies are the Gazebo Stage add-ons, Little Bench Pop-Up, and Paper People Summer Styles. The Gazebo Stage add-ons, along with that foundation die of the stage and the little bench pop-up, are going to be such a great combination for any theme. For the class card, we'll be making an autumn-themed gazebo. When collapsed, that gazebo card will fit in a 6x9 envelope. We will be using pattern papers from Cartabella this month. We'll be using the little bench pop-up both in the gazebo and then also in a card. And so then I like to change things up. So for card 2, we'll actually make it into a double little bench card. And now this is a chance to use those Paper People Summer Styles, and you will be able to customize the person that sits in the bench. If you are new to our Zoom class program, let me explain how it works. The first thing you need to do is purchase a kit, and you're going to have choices. You can bundle the 3 required dies that are from our new release with the paper extra instructions kit. That is your best value if you don't already own any of those dies. If you do own one or more of the required dies, well, then just buy your paper extra instructions kit with no dies, and then you can just pick up the other dies that you need. Now, whenever we require a foundation die, like in this case, the stage pop-up, that is always separate purchase. So make sure you've picked up that foundation die as well. Now, when your paper kit arrives, with or without the dies, it is not going to include instructions. And that is because instructions are delivered by email. So no matter where you purchased your kit, you're going to hang out and wait until about 9 days before class, and then an email will come to you from the store where you purchased your kit, and in that will be your very detailed PDF instructions as well as a link to a prep work video. And what you do is you just follow those prep work instructions and that video to prep your kit for class day. You just have to have your prep work done in time for the live Zoom class if you are joining. And that Zoom class will be on August 29th. That's a Saturday at 11 a.m. Central. We will record it, so any students that can't make the live class can watch the recording. All right, how do you get a kit? So your best bet is going to be to start on our website, karenburniston.com, click on the events tab and then current events. And there you will find links to the kits that we have made, as well as links to all of the stores that are making kits. There is a store in Europe as well. So you've got lots of choices as to where to get your kit. And we would love to see some new faces this month. So the Zoom classes are a lot of fun, and I would love to see you there. Thanks.